Hello Jim, thank you very much for joining us today.
My pleasure.
Perhaps we could start by just introducing Textron.
Textron Systems is a defense supplier in the United States. Our division supports ISR systems with its AAI division, which builds and operates the Shadow unmanned aerial system, with Overwatch Systems, which does a lot of remote sensing, geospatial analysis tools, and social networking.
Now, I know you're going to be speaking at the EMEA Focus Day tomorrow. Perhaps you could tell us a little bit more about what you're going to be speaking about. I know you were talking about multi-intelligence analysis, but particular emphasis on full-motion video.
Certainly. Full-motion video has really taken this community by storm in a lot of ways. The technology has arrived on scene so quickly and it's so dynamic. A lot of the technologies really force the user community to struggle with the volume of data, with deployment strategies, and just these unintended consequences like data deluge. So I'm going to discuss some of the techniques and processes that can be used to take better advantage of full motion video data.
For example?
Well, one of the ways is to better understand what the user needs are. Full motion video sometimes is used inappropriately in the sense that for tactical purposes, the users just want to be able to observe things on a full motion video stream. Strategically, analysts want to be able to take that same full motion video stream and add different types of data attributes to it so that they actually build very rich intelligence products.
How is that then being filtered into the larger geospatial picture?
Well, as you would learn from this conference, there's all sorts of sensors, including satellite, both classified and commercial satellites. There's manned and unmanned aircraft. There's ground sensors. There's the soldier as a sensor. There's just this proliferation of sensors that really force the community to come up with strategies to manage all those different data sources.
So where are the big problems with full motion video usage?
Well, there's a number of problems, both technically and doctrinally and operationally. Technically, full motion video causes a lot of what people perceive as a data deluge problem. Just so much data, so high volume that it's impossible to store and retrieve it all. So really some of the techniques that have to be applied really involve data management, which will make full motion video data more accessible to users, more easy to store and access across an enterprise.
And what are the kind of volume challenges we've got when you compare it to, what kind of resolutions, for example, are we dealing with?
Well, resolution varies from sensor to sensor, but typically full motion video data doesn't have the same sort of resolution that some of the higher fidelity airborne systems or satellite systems have. So it's really hard to nail down a specific question about full motion video resolution without knowing what sensor you're talking about.
Understandable. So what are you most looking to get out of DGI?
Well, DGI has a lot of benefit. First off, I think there's such an assembly of thought leaders that it's very beneficial to be able to hear some of the ideas and concepts that government and industry colleagues are examining.
Well, thank you very much for your time, and I won't keep you any longer. I know there's a lot of sessions to get to. So, yes, thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you.